Alright, hey guys, I'm back. I'm a little closer to my house. Here's my house right now. Walking up there, got the package. I'm gonna get my house key out. House key. Here's my package. My dogs are barking. It's there. There it is. So let me go sit down and I'll do an unboxing. Alright, hey guys. Coming to you with a Danscomp unboxing. Alright, so this is what I ordered. Paper, that's it. That's all I got. Alright, no, really though. Got a Colt snapback. I got a Colt snapback. And I got a Colt snapback. That's all I bought. Nah, I'm kidding. Here's my receipt. The total was $687. I paid for it myself, so don't say, oh, he's a little kid, he got his mom to buy him stuff. I got a free Danscomp t-shirt. I like it. It's written in cursive. I got a Colt t-shirt in red, a Colt t-shirt in blue, and a Colt t-shirt in black to match the hats. This is my Fox racing jacket. It's really nice. Actually, it's extremely nice. I got a Fly Racing tank top. I got some Dickies pants. I got a Profile American bottom bracket. And I can already tell this is way too fucking big. So, I'm gonna have to send that back. But it's alright, because it's awesome. I got some Odyssey Twisted PCs, because I needed new pedals. I got a Colt sticker pack. I got a stem. Let me open this real quick for you. It is the Odyssey Elementary V3 stem in chrome. This is insane. It comes with an Allen key and some spacers. I got a Colt sprocket, 25 tooth. It is the Colt OS sprocket. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be, but it's still fairly thick. I'll get it to where it says Colt. Right there. That comes with the 19mm adapter and the other adapter and a spacer and a sticker. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that last. I got some shoes. Etnies. Really nice. But, that's that. And then I got this. What is this? Can you tell me? They're cranks. What do you know? Alright, so I'm only going to open one of these for the video, because the other one looks exactly the same. Profile racing cranks, chrome, 175mm. And fuck it, I'm going to open the second one because I have to anyway. There you go. I got them in right-hand drive. There you go. Right-hand drive. It comes with a very big bolt. I don't know what that is. I hope that's not the bolt to the fucking crank arm. Nah, I think the 2 bolts are in the spindle. I'm hoping, because it'll be screwed. Alright, here it is. It's a chromely sprocket. I mean a chromely crank. Spindle. My fucking bad. It's been a long day at school, you guys, I'm telling you. It is hollow. So the cranks as a whole, they weigh roughly a pound. So that is that. I got a calendar for Christmas with a whole bunch of bikes and stuff. And I got the Danscomp calendar. So, yeah, that's my order. Bye.